Hi! So today I'm doing a vlog. Yesterday was the twins' birthday. They turned 17, so today we're going to the beach down Kona side with her and her family and Mimi. And yeah, so today I'm gonna vlog. We'll see you probably when I get to their house, which is in about 20 minutes. Okay. We'll have to do a thumbnail at the beach.
Yeah, it's so bright.
It's so
good.
Did you bring waterproof mascara?
I do.
No, I forgot. I need to borrow.
I have.
Okay.
Fit check. This is from Target. And my slippers is from, I don't know.
Okay, so my hat is from Papale Pico on Instagram, support local. Then I got this cardigan thing from Jeans Warehouse, and this bikini top by Kahekili Swim by them. Then bottoms are from Hollister and slippers are Birks off-brand from Walmart. Mimi? Same bikini.
Bottom, a garage sale, and then the slippers are Birkenstocks. Buy this. It's cute.
Where's the fit check? I guess Target. And then bank suit, like made by me. And then I don't want to show my bottom because, yeah. Say hi. Hey. This is Static. Ooh.
Which one's Static?
This one. And then that's Jules. Jules, look.
So we're at, where are we at? At Kauai High. Look how pretty it is. You're prettier. No, you. Anyways, so we just put sunscreen on and
Yeah, and Mimi didn't blend it out.
I had Maya, so it wasn't too bad. Mimi and Maya are out kayaking right now, and then it's me and Elena's turn later.
I'm with John Caitlin.
You're doing all the paddling. Oh, that's a twins present.
Wait.
Did you know you can guide your statements to play with your thumbs and tailor
This is my current emotion.
Mimi guys are out there somewhere. Look.
Oh, Mimi's
you can see them.
paddling. That's possible. You would be brave
Yeah, we'll check back in later.
Because I know on the bottom.
Look how pretty. You're pretty. So we came by the stairs. I don't know if you can hear because the waves are really big. There's Mimi and Maya. Look how pretty it is. We're at the stairs. We're gonna take pictures later. And yeah. Pretty. There's that side.
Whoops, I was pressing the wrong button. But we just finished swimming by the stairs.
So pretty.
And I had to stay at the top of the bench, or the stairs, just to watch if anybody tries to come and steal their stuff, because that happens. And my towel was about to fall down.
Oh, you have a leash. Update. We went all the way over there. We went over there. We went on kind of struggling, yeah, with the floaty, with the paddle. And we were struggling because the current was pulling us. The wind, yeah.
You know what? I know.
Anyways. So yeah. Oh, look, there's a tightrope thing over there, and people are trying to walk on it. It's from the twins' uncle, I think. Alana tried, and she caught wind, so yeah. So far, it's
1:49.
1:49.
Time check.
Yep. Oh, you can't even see it.
Take the water.
So cute.
What are you fighting for?
I just got bit.
Are you okay?
It's Oli.
Don't forget to like the video.
Look how pretty they are.
Really pretty.
It's so much later now. It's 5:43. I don't know if you see that.
Check is kind of cute.
It's much later now. We changed and washed off. Now we're going to the swings to take pictures. Yeah, it's golden hour, so we're gonna go take pictures. And the twins have their hakus on. They look so pretty. Look how pretty. Let's take pictures now.
Later. I know.
This house today is like so big. Oh my god, this lady behind us is like so nice.
Look at the water. Look how beautiful. It's now
Almost 7. Almost 7.
almost 7. We packed up and watched the sunset, and now we're gonna drive back.
We had fun.
Yeah, we had fun.
I'm sunburned. It was fun
We're
though.
all sunburned.
Yeah, today was fun, but we're tired.
Yeah, we're probably gonna all knock out.
Yeah,
on
we're
the
probably
way
gonna
home.
knock out in the car.
Alana, you need to stay up.
So we'll see you when probably the next time I hang out with them.
She said like me.
Probably in like 2 months. Anyways, bye guys.
Bye, vlog.
We'll see you in the next video.